I'm RC Fishing.
Where'd you get your boat at?
www.rcfishingworld.com.
What are you using to fish with?
Worm on the bobber.
And a fishing pole.
Now you can go
See if we can actually focus on it.
using the remote control. All you need is fish fun, cause RC fishing pole and boat.
I can just see a
Try it
black spot
out
to your
with
boat.
all your friends. We know you'll have a great time. You can even catch the bigger fish where you can't cast
water
your fishing line.
Come on, John.
You can't go wrong.
You can see the pole hopping. The pole's jumping.
Got one.
You got an audience over here too watching. Did it get off? Did you rip his head off? No, the bobber's still under. Bring it.
He's still on there.
Yeah, he's still on. Let's see. Oh, there's the fish.
That's a good way to troll. Did you fish a fish off this?
Yeah. Show the fish to the camera, Sean, after you get them out. Now tell them where you got it.
Go to www.rcfishingworld.com. Get yourself a boat.
And a fish.
Everything. And I still gotta keep my bait.
Same bait going back out. We'll see if we can do a dual fish catch video. Now that you can see the boat back in the water. All the other videos you just see the fish on the boat. Make sure you don't bounce up and down on the dock, Sean.
Now you can go fishing using a remote control. All you need is fish fun, cause RC fishing pole and boat. Try it out with all your friends. We know you'll have a great time. You can even catch the bigger fish where you can't cast your fishing line. You can't go wrong, rcfishingworld.com.
Watch your line, bring it around the side if you can.
Whoa, you're going the wrong way, bro.
That's what the floating raft over here is for.
Watch out, man. I'm going your way.
Just keep bringing it.
Pull this way.
The camera. Your pole's facing that way too.
I see your pole.
That's two.
Both of them came in my line.
There you go.
I'm RC Fishing.
Where'd you get your boat at?
www.rcfishingworld.com.
What are you using to fish with?
Worm On the bobber.
And a fishing pole.